Hello everyone, this video is made by Saaid Pirzada as part of the final assignment of Seismic Design course from Skyfi Labs. The Seismic Design online video tutorials from Skyfi Labs were used to complete this project. Here we will be analyzing the structure by using two methods. First, response spectrum method, and second, time history analysis method. Now we'll seismically analyze the structure by using response spectrum method. First, open the building model that we have created for the tall building design assignment video. The link is in the description. Now the first step is to define the seismic load. Go to define load patterns, and here we'll define the seismic load as per the IS 1893 code. Enter the values as shown. These values are dependent on the building characteristics as we have done in the tall buildings video. Now the next step is to define the response spectrum function. Go to define functions, response spectrum. Here, as you can see, I've already defined the response spectrum function. For that, go to IS 1893 2002 and then click on add new function and then modify function and enter the values as shown. Now we'll make sure that the acceleration units are properly assigned. Go to options, display units, and here we can see that the acceleration units are proper. So click on OK. Now the next step is to define the load case. Go to define load cases, and here define the new load case, which is the response spectrum load case, and enter the values as shown. Click on OK. Now we'll have to make sure that only certain load cases are set to run. Go to analyze, set load cases to run, and here we'll make sure that the dead and live load case are to be kept as do not run, since we'll be seismically analyzing the structure by using response spectrum and seismic load only. Now click on run now. Now software will start to analyze the structure. We'll have to wait till the analysis gets carried out. Here's the progress bar. As you can see, the analysis of the structure has been carried out and it shows a deformed shape. Now click on design, concrete frame design, view/refresh preferences, and make sure that IS 456 has been selected. Again go to design, concrete frame design, and go for start design check. The software will do the design check of the structure. Here's the progress bar which shows the progress done. So the design check has been done. Now click on design, concrete frame design, and click on verify all members passed. It shows that all members have passed the design check. Here it shows the reinforcement values for the different sections. Right click on any section and it shows the given values. Click on details to get a detailed values for the section. The project report can also be generated for a structure by going to reports and then going for either project report or summary report. Now in the next part we'll see how to analyze the structure seismically by using time history analysis method. Now we will seismically analyze the structure based on time history analysis function. First we have to make sure that the seismic load has been defined. For that, go to define load patterns, and here we can see that the seismic load has already been defined. Click on modify lateral load and keep the parameters as shown. Click on OK. Now the next step is to define the time history analysis function. For that, go to define functions and go to time history. Here you can see I've already defined the time history function. In order to do that, first select the from file option and click on add new function. It will show the following dialog box. First we have to browse the downloaded file, which is the time history data file for the Burj earthquake that occurred in 2001. Keep the file name as time history and keep all other parameters as shown. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Now we'll go to define load cases, and here we'll define the time history load case. For that, keep all these parameters as shown. Click on OK. Now the next step is to analyze the structure. In order to seismically analyze the structure by time history analysis method, there is no need to select any building component. Just go to Analyze, set your load cases to run. Here we'll make sure that the dead and the live load have been kept as do not run. Now click on Run Now. The software will start analyzing the structure. Is the progress bar which shows the progress of analysis. So structure has been analyzed and it now shows the deformed shape. Go to Design, Concrete Frame Design, View/Refine Preferences, and make sure that IS456 has been selected. Again go to Design, Concrete Frame Design, and now click on Start Design Check. The software will start to design/check the structure. Now click on Design, Concrete Frame Design, and select Verify All Members Passed. It shows that all concrete frames have passed the design check and hence our structure is safe. The given figure shows the reinforcement values of various sections. Right click on any section to get the design information. Click on the Details option to get a detailed values of the section. We can also view various other forces such as shear force, moment, etc. by going to Display, Forces stress diagrams, and clicking on Frame/Fire/Forces. For example, we need to see the shear forces, so we select the shear tool to click on Apply, and it shows the shear force. Click on Moment 3:3 to show the moments. It shows the various moments. Click on OK. We can also generate the various projects reports such as the project report and the summary report from the ETABS software. Thank you for watching.